What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make money online fast, step by step. This is gonna be a real step-by-step tutorial with actual concrete information, not just some bullshit fluff that's just made up to get some AdSense revenue. No, I'm gonna give you the real steps that I actually follow, what I actually do to see success and make money every single day and have big fat checks coming in from CPA networks every single week, right? So let me go into depth on what you're gonna have to do, what steps you need to take, because this is really your no bullshit guide, and I want you to take notes on this. I want you to do everything that I say in this video. I want you to take action, because if you do it, if you listen to what I'm saying in this video, you will change your life, and I can 100% guarantee that you will change your life, because this is how I changed my life. So I'm a living proof example, so I can stand here as a witness, as a testimony that this stuff actually works. What I'm about to go over is the God honest truth on what it takes to make money fast and see success. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is to create a vision board. Now, it's going to be two different types of vision boards I want you to create, but the first one is going to be on your cell phone. So you can see you have like motivational quotes, or you could put like a mansion or your car or whatever like that motivates you, or you might be motivated by just money. So what I just want to basically say is your vision board, it's going to be simple on your actual cell phone, and also make it on your laptop and your desktop, something where it's a motivational quote that makes you want to like take action, or just something that inspires you, whether your future car that you want to have, the future house you want to have, put that as your background. Or you could just put, stacks of cash, money, whatever you're motivated by. Make sure that is your lock screen and your actual homepage wallpaper. And that's really, really important. And the reason, because most of the things that I have saved onto my phone usually come true within a certain amount of time. So before I had my BMW X6, it used to actually be my screensaver, and I was able to just manifest that just randomly. I went in to get an oil change for my car, and they actually had one in stock, like the same one I had been looking at, that's I saved to my screensaver, everything like that. And that's the BMW that I drive, the brand new 2020 BMW X6. I had that as my screensaver, and now it's my actual car. It's my dream car. It used to just be on my background before it came out and was available, but I actually got that. And right now I got bigger goals, bigger things I want to manifest. But I used to put back in the beginning, like money. That was what I was always motivated by, just like seeing the actual cash. So I used to just have stacks and stacks of cash, and now I just have stacks and stacks of cash, and now I just make stacks and stacks of cash every single day. So this is also important. Also, another thing that's important is a cork board. So I actually got one in stock. I wanted to show you guys. This is what it looks like. So you can see, so this is a cork board. So what you can do is you can use like some tacks right here. So these tacks actually stick into the cork board, so you can just print out pictures. You can print out things that actually motivate you, motivational quotes. Just print it out from the internet, whether using Pinterest, Google, whatever. But what you can do is you can just pin those pictures and those quotes straight to the board. So it'll be stuff like this, or you can cut out stuff out of magazines. It's really, really simple. I know a lot of people probably heard of vision boards and stuff like that. I just want to show you guys the two most powerful, and you might be thinking it's cliche. I'm just like making something. No, like this is like really, really powerful. When you wake up and you look at this every day, or you're checking your phone. Some people check their phone 100 times a day. They keep picking up their phone. So imagine if you just keep picking up your phone and seeing a motivational quote, or you keep picking up your phone and you see that mansion that you want, or you see a bunch of cash. It's going to motivate you to want to get that, to make a move, to take action. And that's what this is all about. That's all what this is about, is taking action and getting started on your goals. So corkboard, make sure you go get one of those. I just had one come in for the new year. I make one every single year, and this is how I hit my goals every single year, is because I'm dreaming big and I'm putting it out there. I'm putting it on my cell phone, on my laptops, on my desktop computer. I'm putting it on the cork board. I'm printing out the pictures. So this is what you're gonna have to do to see success. All right, the next thing that you're gonna need to do is go on a 7-day mental diet. So believe it or not, I went into this in other videos, but your program, your beliefs, and your thoughts are negative 99% of the time. If you're not having any money, if you have less than $1,000 in your bank account, your mind is not where it needs to be at. You need to be in a more abundant mindset. So what you can do to break from all the negative programming, all the negativity in your life, and all the things that's keeping you broke, how you can break from that is by reading this book right here called 7-Day Mental Diet. Now, I don't want you guys to be lazy and think to just skip this part. No, actually do it. It does not take no time at all. 17 minutes is literally all just to listen to it. But if you wanted to read it, you could probably read it in 15 minutes and you'll know exactly what to do. So I don't want to break everything down on what it's about, because it's just 15 minutes. You can just watch the video on YouTube. It's a bunch of on YouTube, or you can just get the free PDF on Google. But all you have to do is just read or listen to the 7-Day Mental Diet and do what it says, because if you follow along with what it says, you're going to basically stop yourself from having a bunch of negative thoughts. The thing with this 7-Day Mental Diet is just like any other diet. Once you have that cheat day, like you cheated, like it's off. So how Emmett Fox wants you to do it is basically, even if you're on day 6 and you dwell on a negative thought, you have to start over from day 1, and you have to wait 24 hours before you can actually start over. So the thing you really want to do is you want to refrain from having negative thoughts. You want to not only just they can come in your brain, but you don't want to dwell on them. You don't want to think about it over and over and over again. You want to stay away from people that are negative. You want to stay away from things that irritate you, may trigger you. And of course you may have negative thoughts, and that's the thing. They might still arise, but you cannot play into it. You cannot allow it to change your mood, your feelings, your attitude. You have to stay focused. Go read a book, go listen to an audio, get out of that mindset immediately, change your thoughts. You can change what you think. You can have a new thought pattern. You can just say something random like, I love life, or I love my life, or you can just say something positive. This is to get you in the motion of learning positive thinking, because you are what you think. And a lot of people think that's woo woo and that this is just some bull crap. But to me, this is everything, because this is exactly what I did. And this is what people told me to do. And at first I was like, wait, like what? Like set a mental diet? Like I thought it was all crap. And that's why I was broke. So I had to put my ego to the side and start doing these things, making a vision board, start doing the mental diet. And that's when I realized, wow, I have a lot of negative limiting beliefs and just thinking patterns that just keep me stuck. And it was the reason why I was broke. It was the reason why I couldn't crack $100 a day online. I couldn't do anything. So I just want to show you guys exactly what I did to start making money and how I was able to rapidly change my life. And it was by doing these things. So another thing you want to do is set up your definite chief aim. So how you set this up is by actually setting a date you expect to attain your goal. And you might say, okay, I want to obtain this goal by December 31st, 2021. So just make sure you set a date. It can be this year. It can be 5 years from now. It can be whatever chief aim you want to make it, but just make sure you set an actual date. So declare what you want. So you will want to say, I will have in my possession $100,000, or maybe $1 million, or you may say $100 million. It's up to you and what you want to declare, but you just need to declare something. And it can be something. It don't have to be money related. It can be, I will be 130 pounds or something like that. Like you can declare weight loss goal, like whatever you're trying to change and become. This is what a definite chief aim is about. So you also want to decide how it's going to happen. So in return for this money, I will give the most dedication of which I am capable in CPA affiliate marketing. So this is just an example chief aim of somebody who wants to be a CPA affiliate marketer like I am, and make money like how I make money. This is how I would set my chief aim to like make that the number one goal. But with making money online, but for any niche, just make money online, I will give the most dedication of which I am capable in Forex or e-commerce or whatever niche that you're in, you know? So you just have to figure out what exactly you want to do and decide. So today needs to be the day you actually make a decision on how it's going to happen, what you're going to pursue, what you're going to take action on, because you need to set a definite chief aim to see results fast. An example statement by putting all these things together would be, by the 31st day of December 2021, I will have in my possession $100,000, which will come in various amounts during the year. In return for this money, I will give 100% dedication and commitment to CPA affiliate marketing and being the top 1% of affiliates on Max Bounty. So that's what you call a definite chief aim. So it's something you will read day and night whenever you're feeling unmotivated and you're forgetting, like, what am I after? What's my goal? Pull this out. I actually used to keep, this was when I first was getting started. I used to keep like a little business card, like an old business card. And on the back of it, I just wrote my definite chief aim, and I would actually keep it like in my pocket or in my little wallet. And I would just take it out whenever I was like at work and like on a job feeling down or something like that. I would just like take it out and read it. So this is something that I learned through Think and Grow Rich. And that's why I really recommend that book. This is in chapter 4 under auto suggestion. And this is basically how you reprogram your thoughts and start feeding your mind what exactly you're trying to do. So that's the point of the mental diet, so that you can get rid of those unwanted negative thoughts. And then with the definite chief aim, you can go back in your brain and say, hey, this is what I want. This is my actual goals. So that's what you want to focus on, your definite chief aim. And I would read more into this. I would research more of this stuff during your mental diet, so you can learn what is it going to take to see success with making money online. Now, once you're done setting up your definite chief aim, what you want to do is put your definite chief aim into actual action. So how you're going to do this is you're going to have a planner. So I'd suggest you go out there and you buy the Clever Fox planner. Now, if you can't buy this, or you're in another country or whatever, just, kind of see the format of what I have here on this video and kind of follow this format, which the main things I want you to focus on is the main goals for the day. You need to start making a goal for the day. You need to start having a life balance to-do list also. So this may be reading a book, doing your affirmations, setting up your vision board. It's just, you want to make sure that you're adding things that's going to keep you positive and on track, because if you just leave every day to just wonder, what's going to happen is you're going to get off track. You're going to go hang out with that friend and something negative is going to happen, or, you're going to go watch TV, or you're going to go scroll on Facebook. So you won't have time to do those things if you focus on what you need to do. So have a schedule, have a to-do list, make sure you're taking action on that definite chief aim. So your goals and your to-do list should be based off, of course, have some life stuff that helps you with your subconscious and changing your beliefs and things like that. But you also want to focus on your definite chief aim for most of the day. All these week's priorities, the main goals, your schedule should all revolve around your definite chief aim. So if it was CPA affiliate marketing, what you would do. So if you were brand new, you'll make sure, you watch all the training videos inside Mogul Training Academy, or you'll have, coaching call with me, with Chanel. So you'll focus on just everything that has to do with CPA affiliate marketing. You'll make sure you get through all the videos and take action after the videos, not just watch the videos, but it'll be more to-do list, like set up the actual ads, publish, my ads, find new targeting, set up proper tracking, just different things that come with CPA affiliate marketing. You just will make sure that's what's filling up your planner, right? So it can be this planner, it can be any planner. I just want to basically give you the gist of what you should be writing down. You should also be writing down maybe even a couple of quotes or something that actually inspires you. You can also do that. Like I have just like a regular spiral notebook, and I'll just like journal, just write like different quotes and things that inspire me as I'm listening to like my 30 minutes motivation for the day, or someday I might have an hour of personal development. So it just depends on what I'm doing. But not only do I have a day-to-day like type journal, which is the Clever Fox, but I also have a spiral notebook where it's just like for random thoughts and quotes and just things that that I don't actually put into my actual planner. So just make sure you have that set up as well. And if you're following all these things where you're putting your chief aim into action, your all that set up, you going through the mental diet, you going through the vision board, if you do all these things, there is no reason why you won't see success in 2021, because this is all I literally do and focus on through year after year. And this is why my life has been going up year after year. Everything just gets better, life just gets better and better, because I'm focused on better and better. I don't get complacent. I don't just sit here and just scroll through Facebook and scroll through Instagram and worry about what everybody else doing. I'm focused on my chief aim. I'm focused on staying away from negativity and keeping my mind right for success. All right, so that's all I got for this video. If you like this video, make sure you drop a comment. Let me know you actually like this video. Let me know you're actually enjoying the content. Also, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Turn your post notifications on to be prepared when I post again. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.